Alright, folks. We're doing docking station next. This level is just like the previous levels. It's all about how to deal with the ambushes, dealing with certain enemies the right way with weapons. And yeah, it's not a big deal for the level, but it's all about the timing, which weapons to utilize, and let the enemies come to you. Don't go towards them and play like if you're playing Doom Eternal. Because you're gonna die if you do it like that. Don't use the rocket launchers against these guys. They'll dodge everything under the sun with rocket launchers. Use the iron. Use the rocket launchers against the Iron Maidens. Iron Maidens, they like to moan for whatever reason. Fucking horny cyborgs. Oh my god, that was a close one. Yeah, bitch, that's right. That's right, I'm gonna shoot you right in the ass now. Right there. Need butt cheek. That's what you deserve, okay? Alright then. If you hear some moaning, that's because there's some Iron Maidens over here at the wall. Sometimes you can hear them. And you know there's gonna be an ambush. So make sure to do a quick save before you get the armor here. Okay. Get the rocket launcher. See if they trigger. Yep. I'm gonna wait until I kill these guys first. Damn. I'm telling you, they're really quick, these guys. Freaking berserks. Bitch. She dodged my hit. And I got a blowback from some of the hits there, which was bullshit, because I did dodged it, but yeah, I got hit there. Ooh, the gladiators, my favorite enemies. They're like the shamblers, the barons of hells. Oh, I guess in this close areas, your grenade launcher is the best weapon against these guys because they're equipped with the rail gun, which is considered to be by most people the strongest weapon, but it is not the strongest weapon. It is the second strongest weapon. Some argue that maybe the missile launcher, but we all know which is the strongest weapon. And if you don't know, I don't want to spoil it for you, but yeah, those things that they shot is the rail gun. Let me tell you, man, they pack a punch. That's why this is closed areas. Use your grenade launcher. Let the enemies come to you. Don't go towards them. And if you don't know what to do, go for the item. Oh, you have to go here. Yeah. There's gonna be a secret here. Alright. I don't know if I can land a grenade launcher here before I go up. Maybe I can. Let's see. Ah, son of a gun. Okay. Let's see here. Bitch. They shoot at you before you even do anything. Alright, let me get some health now. Plenty of health in this level, so it can be tough, but there's a bunch of health everywhere. Should have not gotten that health. But I did because I got hit by some of the ricochet from the blast hit me. Oh, he even jumped. I'm like, whoa, Nelly. Whoa, Nelly. Oh yes, the ambush from this guy spawning. Okay, I forgot about that ambush. As soon as you get in, he spawns. I think that's the only ambush that I was caught off guard on this level. Okay, it's the next one for the secret. Not this one. This guy moves really quick. So you gotta be one step ahead of him. Make sure he comes towards you. See what I mean? Jesus. The best way to dodge, just jump with the gravity. Makes everything a lot easier. These guys are more tanky than the flyers. I think they're called Cherubs, Icarus, or some shit like that. They have a weird ass name. I'm trying to remember all their names, man. I forgot. I haven't played this game in over 10 years. I think the last time I played it was probably back in 2000. I should say 13, 12. That was the last time where I did it, but I just never did a YouTube recorded of that level. Like all of the levels, I should have. Oh yeah, demon in fighting or monster in fighting. Yeah, unfortunately the Iron Maidens are really not tanky, but they do a lot of damage, so they'll kill the Berserks in 1v1. Sometimes the Berserks can kill them. It's like comparing um, Pinky Demon with Kako Demon. It's basically what it is. Iron Maidens are like Kako Demons. They're not that tanky, but they're tanky and they do a good amount of damage, just like Kakos do a good amount of damage. Not the strongest, but not the weakest. They're like in between. And these guys, they're a little. I think they're much stronger than the Pinky Demons. But maybe we compare that from Doom 2016 and maybe Doom. Well, Doom Eternal, they're much weaker. Doom 2016, yeah, they were a pain, man. Pinky Demons, they were really strong. A lot stronger. Okay, we're gonna use the machine gun because I usually like to use the quad damage for the machine gun. So I feel like you're getting the most out of your damage in this situation. I'm surprised you didn't shoot with the... Surprised he didn't shoot the railgun. You see these things? Explode them. Then there's gonna be the secret right here. Almost with the explosion hit me. You're like, I don't know what to do. Click on this thing. Pretty much 60 seconds to detonation. I really don't know what happens if you stay here. I think you pretty much get killed. You know what? I would like to see it just for the heck. I have a autosave, so I want to see the explosion. I personally have never seen it, but we'll see. It's at 60 seconds, right? Let's wait a minute for that then. $30. Holy. Five, four, three, two, one. Let the explosion happen, folks. We all want to see this character die. That's it? That was just lame. I wanted to see everything exploding, dude. Well, it sucks. I wanted to see everything explode, but it didn't. So I got 4 out of 4 secrets, and then we're gonna move on to the next, which we're done with the orbital, or the, should I say, satellite. And we're gonna move to a ship, I would believe. So, yeah, we're moving from place to place, and then we're gonna go into the stronghold at the very end. We're gonna see some nasty stuff, some gory stuff later on, and I really love that part of the game. It's amazing. So, I'm gonna save it here, and then quick save. So I'll see you guys in the next one, okay?